$80,000 is the potential annual revenue for a solo locksmith in the United States of America. I interviewed a veteran owner recently who built this business model from scratch with very low capital. The secret to massive profit lies in one overlooked niche, which I will reveal for you later on today. You can start this operation with an initial investment of only $2,000 for basic supplies. Return on your investment happens within 3 months if you execute the mobile service plan correctly. Your setup involves getting licensed and registered as a local business within your home municipality. I honestly did not expect how efficiently he managed his schedule to maximize his daily service calls. Now let us talk about the specific execution needed to drive high demand for your new locksmith firm. If you want to make your business truly profitable, then you must follow this exact execution strategy. And consider a scenario where you charge $150 for an emergency lockout service call. Now you complete 3 calls per day during the week and 4 calls during the busy weekend cycle times. This generates $1,500 in weekly revenue with minimal operating overheads. To start, you need essential instruments like a lockpick set and a high-quality drill with drivers. You also need key blanks and a portable key cutting machine and specialized automotive entry tools. Everything you need is listed in the description, and you can add the full tool kit to your cart now. A typical locksmith makes around $60 per hour for standard work in most American regions. You should aim for a 50% profit margin after accounting for fuel and material expenses. The average price for residential rekeying is $120 per house for customers. Remember that secret I mentioned earlier regarding the niche market that keeps your calendar full. The real secret is specializing in smart lock installations, which commands double the labor fees. You should build a simple website to capture local leads and optimize your online presence quickly. Create profiles on search engine platforms to ensure potential clients find your mobile contact information. Consistency in your service area will naturally lead to repeat clients and reliable weekly income. Always prioritize speed and professionalism because word of mouth is your best marketing strategy. Start your journey today because the locksmith industry offers steady growth for motivated people